Hey students, in today's video, we're going to talk about another fully funded scholarship and how you can apply for it. The name of this university is the Australian National University, where you can apply. In short, it's called ANU. Also, the scholarship program offered here is the RTP, which stands for the Australian Government Research Training Program Stipend Scholarship. That's its title. Now, if you scroll down, you can see more details about this scholarship right here. There are 3 rounds: Round 1, Round 2, and Round 3. So what do you need to do? Scroll down and check out the eligibility criteria, its duration, and the programs offered under it. After that, you'll see the study level and selection basis, how your scholarship will be awarded, which is merit-based. Scroll down further. Here, you'll see how to apply. All the instructions are laid out. You'll also see the scholarship amount you'll receive. Keep scrolling down to find the selection process. Once you review that, click through to check out the benefits. So, right here you can see all the perks included: travel allowance, thesis allowance, and if you have any dependent children, you can bring them along too as an international student. There's a separate allowance for that. Plus, all your medical coverage needs will be taken care of. You'll get full support and medical allowances for that as well. Now guys, let's talk about how you can check the final application deadline. What do you need to do? Go to Google and search for ANU RTP Scholarship. The key deadlines will show up right in the search results. As you can see, Round 1 is currently open, and the closing date is August 31st, 2026. So it closes on August 31st, 2026. Make sure to apply before that deadline. If you haven't subscribed to Study Abroad with Arbaz yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can also check out our video on the USA. To watch it, head over to the channel homepage and watch the latest video about studying in the US. You can also check out how to apply for internships in Canada. So feel free to watch those videos too. Guys, all the helpful links will be in the description below, so don't worry about that. Also, if you want to search Google yourself, just type ANU RTP Scholarship Program in Google search and the results will pop up. Just click on the very first website link. That will open up this page, bringing you right here. Next, go to Reference Documents. Read through the reference documents and get all the further information right there. After that, scroll back up and check out how to search for your research program. To do that, click on Study, but don't click on Apply just yet. You first need to click on Postgraduate Research. There's a specific reason for this, which I'll explain in a moment. Once you click it, you'll land on the ANU Postgraduate Research Programs page. Here you'll find all the graduate research programs. Scroll down here to explore more details. Now, what things should you keep in mind before applying? And how do you find professors? Click on Search Professors. Once you click that, this web page will open. Here, you can find professors based on your subject. For instance, if I type computer science or computer, a list of computer science professors will show up. Let's click on one of them as an example. I'll click on this professor right here. Once clicked, you'll get all of their contact details. Here's their email address, followed by their research areas, similar profiles, and basically everything about them. If you click on Research Outputs, you'll see all of their published research work. So you should go through these one by one to see if your background matches with the professor's research. Don't just randomly email everyone. Only email professors whose field aligns with your interests. Now let's go back. If you don't find a professor that fits your interest right away, you can browse more profiles. Click on View All to get the complete list of professors in computer science. This is how you can browse them, and you can also use search filters to narrow it down. It totally depends on what field you want to apply for. After that, go back and scroll down again. Check out Step 2 to see the faculty-wise programs listed here. Then scroll down to read more about the application requirements. Now let's go over how to apply and the application requirements. To apply, the first step is checking the minimum admission requirements. Click here to read through them. Got it. You can apply for both PhD and master's programs here. Next, check out the English language requirements. Click on it to read all the details carefully. If you want to dive deeper into the specific criteria, click on the link that says Learn more about ANU English language requirements. That will bring up this page. Make sure to carefully read through all the English proficiency guidelines listed here. To secure your spot, having proof of English language proficiency is absolutely required. Keep in mind that competition is tough if you don't have an English proficiency certificate. Your chances of admission drop significantly. Moving on, head back and click on Research Proposal. Here you can see the guidelines for research proposals. You can also check the refugee section to review their specific requirements. Also check out supporting documents and incomplete qualifications. So make sure to review all 6 of these steps step by step. Scroll down and you'll see the complete guide on how to complete the process. How to apply. First, search for your program. Then apply to the program and complete your application. Once you're ready to apply, scroll back up and click on Apply Now. Once the page loads, you'll see the full step-by-step application walkthrough. Alright guys, the How to Apply for HDR program page is open now. Scroll down, and you'll see the exact steps here. To find your program, click on Apply Now. Once you click Apply Now, all the programs will appear. Now, self-funded students can apply for bachelor's, master's, or PhD programs. However, if you're applying for research and want a scholarship, here's what you need to do. First, review these programs carefully. For scholarship-eligible programs, click on Research first. Once it loads, apply another filter. Now that the research filter is active, check the box for postgraduate. Applying this additional filter will display all scholarship-eligible programs for you. This will bring up all postgraduate research programs offering scholarships. Now select the program you want to apply for. You can also click Show All Results to load more available programs. There are plenty of programs available here. You can apply for both master's and PhD programs. Check them out carefully. To find your desired program and start applying, let me walk you through it. For example, let's click on Master of History. Clicking it will open the detailed program page showing how to apply. Once the page loads, you'll see all the application instructions, along with an Apply button right there for you to apply. Clicking on Admission and Thesis will give you all the detailed information. Note that you must apply separately for admission and the scholarship. You'll see the program listed, and right below it, the link to apply for the scholarship. So, This is the Master of History program page. To apply, click on the Apply button. Clicking it opens up the application procedure. You'll set up your profile first. And once your profile is created, you can easily submit your application. It will ask you which category you're applying under. Make sure to click on International Applicants. Then click Apply. Alright guys, the web page has loaded. After clicking Apply, click on Register. If you've never applied here before and don't have an account yet, click Register. Clicking Register will open the new registration form. Select your title and fill out your profile details: given name, family name, email address. Confirm email, password, and confirm password. Make sure to fill out all these fields accurately. Check the agreement box and click Register. That completes your account registration. I hope you guys can take it from here and complete your application. If anything is unclear, leave a comment below, letting me know if you want a step-by-step video on how to complete the application process after creating an account. Be sure to comment. If you comment, I'll make a follow-up video showing you how to complete the whole application. As soon as this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll drop part 2 showing the rest of the application process based on your requests. So drop a comment asking for part 2 and help us hit that 1,000 like goal. See you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.